You are thinking about leaving the corporate world to pursue your passion for agribusiness. The idea for being your own boss and make a difference in the agricultural industry can truly be captivating. However, before you hand in that resignation letter, it's crucial to regain or gain a deep understanding of the opportunities and challenges that lie ahead. As a seasoned poultry veterinarian, I, Vet Mwangi of Lomo Vet Care Poultry Department, with years of experience, I am here to guide you through the crucial factors you need to consider before taking the leap into poultry farming. So fasten your seatbelts, aspiring poultry farmers and investors, as we embark on the exciting journey together. Don't forget to like and share to farmers or colleagues, other investors who might be interested. Number 1 point: research, 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 and research. Before diving headfirst into poultry farming, extensive research is essential. Understanding the market dynamics, analyze the current trends, identify your target audience. This knowledge will help you make informed decisions and create a solid business plan. Study the demand of poultry products in your area. Learn about competitors and develop strategies to differentiate your brand. Number 2, financial planning. Starting a poultry business requires a significant investment, and that's where Lamu Vet Care team of veterinarians comes on board. We'll be able to we'll develop a financial plan that includes the cost of acquiring land, if that is you don't have the land, constructing poultry houses, poultry designs, farm designs, purchasing equipments, obtaining permits, and covering ongoing operational expenses. That we call a budget, a total production estimate. How much this commercial layer from day old to 18 weeks when you start, 16 weeks when you start collecting your eggs, the cost that you'll have used. If it is for broilers, how much you'll need from day old to maybe the time you get to the market. We're able to do an estimate. Additionally, account for unexpected situation such as market fluctuations. Seek expert advice from accountants, financial advisors, to ensure your business is financially sustainable in the long run. Number 3, seek professional guidance. As a poultry veterinarian, I cannot stress enough the importance of seeking professional guidance. Connect with experienced farmers, veterinarians, or industry experts who can provide valuable insights. Join local farming associations or attend agricultural conferences to network and learn from those who have already navigated the path you are embarking upon. Their expertise can save you from costly mistakes and offer you the support you need along the way. And still await smiling all the way to the bank. Know your regulations. Poultry farming is subject to various regulations and permits, including NEMA, health safety regulations. Familiarize yourself with these regulations and ensure compliance. Failure to do so can lead to legal complications, potentially harm your business reputation. Consult local authorities or agricultural extension services and stay updated to the latest regulations and best practices. Health and biosecurity. Maintaining the health of your poultry flock is crucial to the success of your business. Implement strict biosecurity measures to prevent the introduction and spread of diseases. Consult your Lamwa poultry veterinarian to develop a vaccination schedule. Understand diseases, prevention strategies, and receive guidance on proper flock management. Prioritize the welfare of your birds as well as and well cared for animals yield better productivity. Marketing and distribution. Once you have a solid business plan, you can source the business from our ebooks. Call them broiler ebooks, production guides, layer guides, production estimates. Once you have a solid business plan and healthy birds, it is time to focus on marketing and distribution. Develop a strong brand identity and create a marketing strategy that effectively reaches your target audience. Utilize online platforms, social media, and local farmers markets to showcase your products. Establish relationship with retailers, restaurant, wholesalers, to even a distribution network, schools, hospitals. And now, as we conclude, as you contemplate leaving your work for the world of agribusiness, remember that poultry farming is rewarding, yet a challenging endeavor. By conducting thorough research, planning your finances, seeking professional guidance, understanding regulation, prioritizing health and biosecurity, and implementing effective marketing strategy, you can increase your chances of success. While the journey may be others, with determination, dedication, and passion for poultry farming, you can build a thriving agribusiness fulfills your dreams. Good luck on this exciting new chapter of your life. Welcome to agribusiness, and see you in our next video. Don't forget to share and like and subscribe, and see you in our next video.
Adios.